hills embrace the morning light, where the rivers whisper through the silent night. A single rose is blooming wild and free, calling like an ancient melody. Her laughter rides the western breeze. Her heart is older than the oldest trees. She carries hope through storm and fire, a soul that never will retire. Oh, race alone, the wind remembers every name. Oh, mockery, forever Ireland stays the same. Rose na Héireann, blooming through the rain. Rose na Héireann, healing every pain. Mo Grago Deo, you'll never fade away, shining like the dawn over Galway Bay. Golden sunsets paint the fields with fire. Ancient songs awaken every choir. The sea still sings of heroes brave and dreams that dance above the waves. Every stone and every shore keeps the stories evermore.